Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Now today we've got the third chainsaw in the collection. A Homelite Super 2. It's one of the newer ones with just one trigger. The old ones had two, one up here than the regular one. I don't have one of those yet. A Homelite bar, probably about 14 inches. In real nice shape. And I like these old Homelite saws. They're real good trim saws. You can one-handed operate it if you pinky the trigger. Your hand's big enough, which I guess mine is. This is not a working saw, it's just in the collection. If I had another one, it'd be a working saw because I like these little Homelites. But I ain't gonna use this one much because it's the only one I got. Only Super 2 anyway. And I don't have an old bar. I don't want to run I already run this bar some, but I'd like to keep the paint on it. Alright. I really like these old saws. If I live long enough to retire, I'd like to open a chainsaw museum in Etowah, which is a few miles from here. One of them little railroad towns that's dying. There's lots of empty storefronts, though. I'd enjoy that. That'd be about 3 years before I can retire, so maybe I'll have enough chainsaws by then. Maybe. We'll see. We'll find out. I think I'll start calling my videos Etowah Chainsaw Museum from now on. Don't hurt to plan. Who knows? Maybe I'll get it. We'll find out. Alright, back to this little saw. Came in one of them little red cases that Homelites had, which I like. It's real good shape. The saw does run. Let's start it. Like all my old saws, it don't run real good because don't run it enough to let the carburetor soften up. Then back on the shelf it goes. You hear us try it. There we go. One problem I have with these old saws, for several years I've cut a lot of wood, but mostly used modern saws like Steels, Reco, that Husky. That you tune them around 11.5, 12 if you ain't gonna limb nothing. And these old saws just, you'll overtune them by, you'll go way lean if you just try and go by ear, cause these I like to run about 75 on. I don't really want to go too lean on them. Most of the old saws, the top out's 85, and the older ones from the 50s, they ain't even half that. You know, they ain't much at all, so you have to be careful if you're used to cutting a lot with new saws, then you try and play with old ones. Alright, that's saw number 3. Thanks for watching. Bye.